my name is Gurpreet Vasi and I am a runner. Running occupies the bulk of what I do now. That story begins with a race that I was running while I was grieving. It was my father had passed away. Running is a kind of therapy. That is the only time that you spend only with yourself. There is a long conversation that you have with yourself as you're running. So, and what running does to you also is that it heals you. My father was my hero, and he's probably been the most inspiring figure that I've had in my life. And he had a very tough life, and he was a very strong man, and he just went away like this, no illness, nothing, goes for a trip, comes back, sleeps in the night and never wakes up. I think that moment everything changed. And there's a clock started ticking at the back of my head, and it wasn't a clock that went forward, it was a clock that went backward, saying that any of us could just disappear like that, and how meaningless life is. And everything that you're doing, even if you're like climbing mountains and building corporate empires or making a lot of money or not making a lot of money, you're just spending time. And it's as meaningless as anything else. And all this, I call it an epiphany, it happened over a run. And on that run, I think those 2.5 hours or more probably, I think all the answers came to me about that, that I have lived, say, half of my life, and the rest half of my life, I didn't want to chase a salary. Every inspiration that has come to what I'm doing now is from my father's life. And being a Sikh, he was a devout Sikh. I wanted to do something around, something which created great social impact, something that made my life valuable and meaningful, because running was so important, I would say, so vital to how I was dealing with my emotions or what I was passing through at that moment. I just ideated about it, and I decided that we'll do a run. We named it the One Race Super Sikh Run. Why Super Sikh Run? And there were a lot of questions asked, saying while we're talking of equality, while we're saying everybody's equal, and then you have a name which spells out that it's Sikh. It's Super Sikh Run. And that's when, there was, in the early days, there was a lot of time that I spent explaining to people that when you say One Race Super Sikh Run, the Super Sikh in the name is because it's absolutely inspired by what Sikhi has taught me. I know nothing else. And probably if I knew anything else and anything else had inspired me, I would have named it after that. And when I say Super Sikh Run, it gives me extreme focus. I know for me, Sikhi means that everybody is equal. There is a saying, Manas ki jaat sabe ek pehchan bo, which means that everybody has only one caste, and that's humanity. So that is what Sikh means to me. And Gurdwara, with its 4 doors, means that it is open to everybody, no matter who you are. So that's what I want the focus of this initiative to be. And slowly over the years, at least in North India, I think it's fairly well known that it is not religiously dividing, closed door, something that's open to a community kind of event. It is a Seva-led event, and Seva and Sikhi are synonymous. I went to UK and I met up with Ravi Singh, again an extremely inspiring, towering personality, who's set up an NGO called Khalsa Aid, which is a global non-profit where they go to any part of the world wherever there is a crisis. So any humanitarian crisis, the only agenda is humanity. So if there's somebody hungry, if there's somebody ill, they just go and set up a langar, they provide medical aid, and they couldn't care about political opinion, saying whether this is right, wrong, Muslim, non-Muslim, Hindu, whatever. I was asked a lot of questions saying, oh, if you're going to do this run, are you going to make money? What are you going to achieve out of it? So I wanted to do this as a fundraiser for Khalsa Aid. They are the face of what we actually believe in. I have been a marketeer all my life, and I'm a specialist retail professional. I've been part of very well-known brands. I've been into retail research. I've created IPs as far as retail is concerned, knowledge platforms. I've been to retail education. So just to give you the drift of, how with something which is completely empowering your life, you suddenly realize that whatever you're doing is completely meaningless.